Okay, this is about HTML elements. This is a quick review. This is the structure of a single HTML element. So we'll make a new document. Okay. Let's open that with the browser. Alright, so there's nothing to see here. It's an empty document. And we got Atom over here, which is our editor. Here's HTML element. Okay, so let's go right into our body here. Ignore everything above and below this. Okay, so that is an HTML comment tag. This is where the element we're discussing is. So the element starts with an opening tag and a closing tag. So a div, for example, that's the opening tag. The opening tag has an opening and a closing as well. So you do the less than sign, opens the opening tag. You type in the name of the tag and any attributes. An attribute like class, for example, that's the name of the attribute, and you set it equal to a value, and the values generally have quotes around them, almost always. So this is the class attribute on this div element. Now this is just the opening tag of the div element because we haven't closed it, so this isn't even an element yet. We have to close it. So I can close it like that. This is the closing tag. The closing tag has an opening, which is a less than symbol, a slash, then the name of the tag, and then a greater than symbol. This entire thing is the element, including any children it might have. So if it has a span element, this entire thing is the HTML element, all of the children, and any of their children as well. Okay, so it's a giant tree structure. And these are attributes, class foo, and this is a style attribute. I can say background color black, color white. Okay, so the style attribute, that's the name of the attribute. There's an equal sign and then a value, and the value is always surrounded by quotes. Almost always, but for all practical purposes, always. Okay, and then here we can have, I guess we need to put color white on these. So we'll do style, add the quotes. Now this is we add our CSS in here. Color white, semicolon. Style equals. And notice the semicolon goes inside the quote. So when you get done, when you look at one of these styles, it should always just be, or one of these elements, it should always be in the opening tag, the tag name, attribute equals value in quotes. Attribute equals value. Okay, so this is color white, color, light gray, there it is. Okay, so we can run this, see what we have. Hello there in white, and then a light gray, and then in gray. So the main thing to remember is there's an opening and close tag to almost all the elements. The difference between the opening tag and the close tag is just the little slash. It's a forward slash. Okay? And the opening tags have attributes set equal to values surrounded by quotes. Okay? So that's it for this one. I'll go ahead and add a title, elements. And we can add a BR tag. A BR tag is a void element. It doesn't have to be closed, but you can close it. So to close it, technically you could do a /BR, or you could close it in the opening tag because it doesn't have any children. So I always close it in the opening tag. That's called a self-closing tag. Alright, and you'll notice this BR, this just breaks the line, and so hello there, instead of them being all in a row, it puts them one after the other. Okay, keep your indentation clean so you can see what's going on. Alright, that's it.